Praise your voices with the salat ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. الثانية غفر الله لكم. To ask in the appearance of our 12th Imam, Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad with your loudest voices. I would like to ask everyone, inshallah, to stand up just for about minutes, inshallah. We'll commemorate the Prophet and put your hands on the heart. Jazakumullah khair jaza. Assalamu alayka ya Rasul Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Habib Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasul Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Habib Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasul Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Habib Allah. Peace be upon you, Prophet Muhammad. 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 Assalamu alayka ya Rasul Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Habib Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Rasul Allah. Assalamu alayka ya Habib Allah. Crying and mourning for your death, with sorrow we lost Muhammad. Crying and mourning for your death, with sorrow we lost Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Crying and mourning for your death, with sorrow we lost Muhammad. Crying and mourning for your death, with sorrow we lost Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya. Let me hear your voices, everyone, brothers and sisters. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. And today we lost our Prophet Muhammad, our beloved one. And today we lost the heart and soul. And today we live without the sun. And today with grief and with sadness, we live in pain and with no fun. And today the pain is in our hearts. Today the pain is in our hearts, and it will stay, and it will stay as it's begun. Today the people are all sad. They've lost a great one that they had. Today the nations are all sad. They've lost a great one that they had. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad ya Muhammad. Muhammad. Muhammad ya your voices, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, once more, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, oh, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad. Today Muslims are in deep pain, and you'll find them shedding their tears, crying, grieving. You will see them for their prophet. They will mourn years, because the sun became so dim and disappeared as it appears after the prophet has passed out. The world stayed without pioneers. The heart is bleeding, so are the eyes. The sunlight has set and will not rise. Muhammad, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, 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 Ya Muhammad, 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 Ya Muhammad. Let me hear your voices, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, oh, Muhammad, Ya Muhammad, oh, Muhammad is thy truthful peace. Muhammad is the truthful peace, and the prophet of mercy too. He is the one that was revealed from the greatness to me and you, from the greatness to me and you, the holy messenger of God, the very blessed, the very true. Is there one? Is there a one better than him in rank and greatness and value? In rank and greatness and value. This is Muhammad, this is the high. We're his followers, we won't deny.